This is the new 10th generation Apple iPad. What's new in this iPad? Well, for starters, it's pink. For the first time, Apple has put out fancy new finishes on its new generation of iPads. It comes in pink, blue, silver, and yellow, a really bright and amazing yellow that kind of looks like something you'd see on a sports car. The new iPad has a gorgeous 10.9-inch liquid retina display. It is bright and vivid and gorgeous. The screen in this new iPad goes all the way to the edges. There's barely any bevel at all. And the other big notable thing about those bevels is you might see on the top edge of the iPad, there is now a camera on the landscape edge of the iPad. Having a camera on the landscape side makes a big difference if you are trying to use the iPad as a desktop or laptop replacement. You can now have it sitting up and facing you and type on it like a regular computer screen and easily hop into a video call. The iPad now has Touch ID on the top like other models. There's no more home screen button. Another change to this model is the brand new A14 chip inside. What the A14 Bionic chip really gets you is amazing power efficiency. This iPad runs a long time on a single battery charge. I set this up running streaming video over the Wi-Fi connection, and the screen played bright, full volume video for over 11 hours. That's the benefit of this brand new chip that really runs much more efficiently than older models. It has a USB port, it's got fast wireless connectivity, it's got everything that you would want and need in a new iPad. With a couple notes, Apple is advertising, oh, you can use the first generation Apple Pencil on this iPad. It works great. It's responsive, it lets you take notes, it lets you edit things on the fly. The problem is though, that this has a USB port and the Pencil does not have a USB-C connector. You have to charge the Apple Pencil using, that's right Apple fans, a dongle. And this just makes for a ridiculous situation where you have to put a dongle on your Pencil, and then you have to plug a USB cord into your Pencil, and then you have to plug your Pencil into the iPad to charge it. Bottom line, while the first generation Pencil is compatible with the new iPad, it's not a perfect experience, mostly because the hardware wasn't built for this. If you want something for note-taking capabilities, you should probably look at one of the other iPads, not this brand new one. Because this new iPad is so light and has really long-lasting batteries, it actually makes a pretty good pitch as a laptop replacement. The exclusive Magic Keyboard Folio gives you a really nice typing experience. It feels a lot like a MacBook Air. It's a really nice ergonomic experience. It's not cheap though. This new keyboard costs $249. It also only comes in white, so depending on which exclusive finish you bought for the new iPad, you might be covering up your nice red or blue or yellow iPad with a white keyboard cover. So it's a real nice iPad, and I can see a strong argument for upgrading if you have an old generation iPad, or even if you want something as an alternative to your laptop on the go. There is a catch, however, is that this lovely new device comes at a price. The new iPad is available now in 64 gigabyte and 256 gigabyte models. It starts at $449 for the Wi-Fi version. The Wi-Fi plus cellular version starts at $599. You can see more videos like this here on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.